This is a flappy and greedy seagull that you can make.
Caw, caw, I want chips!
Use a template or draw your own seagull's body.
Onto a strong piece of cardboard like this.
Cut it out and then cover it in white paper on both sides.
Now we need to add the beak. The beak is a clothes peg.
This part of the peg is the beak, and this part needs to be stuck to the seagull. Before I stick down the peg, I'm adding some beak shapes I've made. These shapes are on the seagull template that you can find on Granny Pearl's webpage. I've coloured the beak yellow with a bit of orange on the bottom part of the beak. The two pieces should line up and fit onto the peg. Stick them down so the peg can still open. Now it's time to stick the beak onto the seagull.
And to do that we need to get a long piece of sticky tape and then wrap it
all the way round the top prong of the peg. So the seagull has his beak.
And we now need to add the wings.
Oh yeah, wings please! Draw your wings onto card, cut them out and make sure they're symmetrical. Fold over the inner part of the wing and use that to stick it to the seagull's back. Turn the seagull over and stick on his other wing. Make sure they line up. Now it's time to add the tail. Cut a triangle of paper and then snip off the top. Stick it down carefully to the back of the seagull. Add some googly eyes.
And now my seagull is ready to fly and maybe steal some chips. Send us photos of your flappy seagulls and we'll display them in Granny Pearl's gallery.